Now we will create batch, so navigate to Manage Batch. Click on the Add Batch button to open a modal pop-up. Select the campus from the drop-down list. Select the batch type, year, record status, and finally, click Add Batch to save the details. Now to start session, navigate to Manage Session. Click on the Start New Session button to open a modal pop-up. Select the campus with class from the drop-down list. Select batch and set registration start date, registration end date, session start date, session end date, class start date, class end date, and so on. Select in charge of the class. Finally, click Save Session to save the details. Same as create another session. To add multiple section, navigate to Manage Section. Click on the Add Section button to open a modal pop-up. Select the campus with class from the drop-down list. You can add any section name. You can create multiple sections under a class.